northeast of Mumbai, the financial centre of India, is Kamshed. In this town is the processing plant of Vinayak Vita Limited. An export-oriented unit that manufactures international quality fruit purees and concentrates, this plant is equipped with process equipment from TMCI Padovan of Italy. It is kosher approved, a member of SGF, and a fine example of superior fruit processing technology. Now, let's see how fruits are turned into concentrates that are even better than the original fruits. Products that can be used all year long. It's quite fascinating. Technology, good manufacturing practices, and hygiene are the key factors here, because retention of the original flavor and nutritional value are as important as long shelf life. A variety of exotic and exciting fruits are grown in India at Vinayak Vita. Mangoes, pineapples, guavas, bananas, papaya and tomatoes are processed. Tons of these fruits arrive here daily from their growing areas. The fruit supply depends on the season, of course. But whatever the season, the fruits are selected for their natural quality, taste and exacting customer specifications. The total processing capacity here is about 10,000 metric tons per annum. Once the fruits are weighed, they are transported to a specially designed ripening chambers or to the natural ripening areas. Here, controlled temperature and humidity ensure that the fruit ripens evenly to its full-blown flavor and taste profile, making it just right for further processing. The production system is very versatile and has 3 product-specific processing lines for mango, pineapple and banana. The plant is also equipped to handle guava, papaya and tomato. The process begins at the pre-washing stage. The fruits are first immersed in chlorinated water to remove dust and foreign particles. These are then washed in plain water to remove the chlorine. Brush rollers and sprinklers complete the external cleaning, bringing the fruit to a polished shine. Some fruits are given a steam wash at 40 to 60 degrees Celsius to soften them. There is an extreme emphasis on cleanliness and hygiene here, because the quality and purity of the final product must conform to the stringent European and American standards. Certain fruits need to be trimmed or sorted before being pulped. That is done here at the merry-go-round conveyor system. Fruits like mango are passed through the destoner to remove the stone and skin, whereas pineapple and papaya are passed through a polyfruit machine to extract pulp. Such coarsely extracted pulp is then passed through 2-stage refiners. Preheating of pulp is carried out in these tubular heat exchangers. Here we have a choice of 2 equipments, namely centrifugal clarifier and centrifugal decanter. Depending on the requirement of the product, the machine is suitably selected. Centrifugal separators offer considerable advantages over other conventional systems in removing black and brown particles, grit or stone cells, and any other extraneous materials. They also help in selective removal of fibers. To cater to the exacting requirements of the clients, the plant is provided with a choice of 3 separate concentration lines to suit the product characteristics and ensure better quality. The key features in the concentration process include the multi-effect taste evaporator, the single-effect scraped surface evaporator, and the single-effect evaporator with plate heat exchangers. This is a 3-stage high-pressure homogenizer which breaks the fiber and food material into uniformly sized particles, thereby imparting a smooth texture to the products. De-aeration, or removing the quantity of dissolved air, is carried out here to improve the stability of the flavor and the color of the fruit juices. The concentrate is then passed into a vacuumized buffer tank, after which it enters the aseptic processing section. It is passed through a battery of heat exchangers where it is sterilized, cooled and chilled in one pass. This aseptic filler uses automatic sealing systems to fill and seal the concentrate into aseptic bags without any contamination or human touch. The bags in these drums are now ready for cold storage. All these operations are automated. Critical parameters are set, maintained, and controlled by PLC-based systems. Human handling of material is minimal, and the plant produces concentrates that adhere to strict international norms. The emphasis in this plant is truly on quality, from raw material supply to final shipping. Oof, it's really freezing in here. This is where the final concentrate is stored before shipping. More importantly, at the microbiological lab, the pulp or concentrate is analyzed for microbiological content. This process includes plating and incubation for bacterial checks. All this means that the final product is strictly as per the desired specifications, not one iota less. Cleaning in place. That is the name of the game here. Before a new batch of fruit is put through the process, the entire system is automatically washed with sodium hydroxide or nitric acid solution, thus ensuring that there is no contaminating residue anywhere in the system. You can never be too careful when processing food products, can you? These days, there is something more important than just product quality and energy savings, and that is environmental protection. At Vinayak Vita, this too is taken care of. India's first sequencing batch reactor-based effluent treatment plant is installed here. And the result? Better treatment efficiency, significant space savings, and lower operational costs. The treated effluent is environmentally safe and conforms to EU regulations.